So today we're gonna turn ourselves into a spooky ghost. In Premiere. For legal reasons, obviously. But we're gonna do it in a couple of minutes. Because who has time to spend hours in post-production when there's candy to steal from kids? Who said that? So I had this really cool Halloween episode in the works for you guys, but then my biggest nightmare happened. I fell in a ditch and twisted my ankle so badly that I'm like this now. Hence the bedroom setup. Yup, I literally became a tripod. Dreams do come true, folks. As I was getting used to my new life as a tripod, a super quick Halloween idea popped into my head. How to be a ghost. Ooh, wait, that title doesn't sound great. It's a working title, okay? First things first, grab your camera and throw it on a tripod. Or grab your phone and just put it on a flat surface. Okay, this part is super important. Make 100% sure that the camera does not move. Now film yourself for about 30 seconds, just chillin', be boring, like you're waiting for a horror movie jump scare. Then switch things up, get spooky, change into something creepy, hit the record button again, but this time sneak up behind the couch. This is the moment your grade 4 drama skills get to shine. Act ghostly. Now here's the trick. Imagine there's an invisible line right down the middle of the screen. Why, you ask? Because we're lazy and we don't want to mess with masks in Premiere. Even though, you know, masks, Halloween, super relevant. Make sure your ghost self and your living self don't cross paths. No high fives. I mean, ghosts can't touch anything anyways. Right? Right? Now that we have our clips, let's fly over to Premiere. Create your sequence, import your footage, drop your living self onto the timeline, layer your ghost self on top, crop the ghost layer right where the imaginary line in the middle is. With Premiere Pro 2025, cropping is easier than ever. It's right under effects control. And lastly, drop your opacity down to something around 50%. I like my ghosts around 30%. Feels right. Spooky enough, but not too transparent. You know what I'm saying? You can add a dissolve effect at the beginning of your ghost layer to give the illusion of a ghost appearing out of nowhere. Chop your ghost layer randomly to create that creepy movement. Bring an adjustment layer on top of everything and fine-tune the overall look with lumetric color. I brought the temperature down to have that eerie cold feeling. Then add another adjustment layer and put Gaussian blur on it. Go to effects control, adjust the blur level to your liking, just don't overdo it, and select the circle under the mask, reverse, make the circle bigger. Now we added a bit of depth to our video. And lastly, add some sound effects to really sell the horror. And you are done. What was that? Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. A quick Halloween idea popped into my head. My cats are fighting. They're literally fighting. Try again. How to be... Stop it! Masks. Now that we have our clips, why can't I talk?